Welcome, dear viewers. Just subscribe Pixabay. Pixabay is a free video images download website. Anyone can download here free. Also, there are paid versions also, but we have to search subscribe button for our YouTube channels. So for that reasons, we written down here subscribe button. We searching subscribe button in the Pixabay website. This is very easy and simple. Whenever you search is complete, that there are lots of subscribe button, but we have to take in this button. Okay, this subscribe button, and it is a 4K subscribe button. 4K people are using this, so we have to clicking this, double click. Whenever you click here subscribe button, that time it will be open. Okay, just here whenever you click here it will be okay button, it will be open, and scroll down. We are searching our here, we are found it. Okay, we click here and you are watching that it's a free, no needs to pay money for downloading this. We are checking like this, it should be shown up. Okay, so we are taking this and we have to take this. Okay, so whenever download is complete, that time you have to select these options. Okay, it's will be downloading. Here it's downloading the file. Okay, whenever download we can open it, and we work how we can make a subscribe button for either our YouTube channel. Okay, whenever we open, that will be downloaded in download sections. Where is it? Here. Okay, we can copy it and paste in the desktop. Okay, here we keep it in the desktop. Okay, here we can keep it here desktop. So we have to work now, little bit work, because it's a green screen. We have to change the green screen in black screen. So how we can change it? So look here. I am just go to your media in Camtasia, and we are keep it the subscribe button here, the video, and we copy here. Okay, we take in here and take drag and drop in your slide here, and we can do this, and here we can check it, this subscribe button. Okay, now we can change this color, background color in black. So how we can change it? For the reasons, we have to select customize color here. Here we can drag and drop in these sections, or we can change it and take it dropper black. Okay, take the dropper black, and you already select the black dropper and drag, push it here. Okay, again I am showing you, just keep drop and here click in the this button. Okay, the green skin has gone and now it's a black skin, so it's okay. Just we can take this into the library. You can make a save this button, subscribe button, in your library. Just go to library. I already saved 2 button there. You are watching here. Just go and just create. Okay, here you can give a name, any kinds of name you can give, A B C D D F G H, like that. Or if you want to name subscribe my channel, you can. You write down here whatever you want. Okay, and keep it in your library place in zip. Whenever click, it will be saved to your library. So how we can use this now? Okay, that's I looking here. This is so our subscribe button is ready. Now we can use any kinds of video. So how we can do this? For the reasons, we have to select a video or upload a video in our media and drag and drop here. You can see I drop this and this is our subscribe button we already created. We just keep it in upper above of the video. Here this is okay. So whenever you run it, the time subscribe button will be working here. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel and share my channel. I hope you support my channel. Thank you.